Did you know the man who unified all of China died from trying to live forever? Qin Shi Huang became China's first emperor in 221 BC. He built the Great Wall, created one currency, and made everyone use the same writing system, but he was terrified of death. The emperor sent ships across dangerous seas searching for magical islands where immortals lived. He swallowed mercury pills every day, believing they would make him live forever. Instead, the mercury slowly poisoned him. When he died at 49 during another trip to find immortality, his officials panicked. They hid his death for months, carrying his rotting corpse back to the capital in a cart filled with stinking fish to cover the smell. The empire he built to last forever collapsed in just 4 years. Today, his tomb near Xi'an holds 8,000 terracotta warrior statues meant to protect him in the afterlife. Modern tests show the burial chamber still contains deadly levels of mercury. The poison that killed China's first emperor still guards his grave 2,200 years later.